In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art scene in 10 minutes. Let's go to the front viewport. Tab, to go to edit mode, and 3, to face select. Let's select and remove this face. Let's select the back face, and move it on the Y axis with G and Y shortcuts. I'll select the top face, Shift-D to duplicate, and G and Z to move on the Z axis. Ctrl-R to place loop cuts. Let's place 8 loop cuts in total. We can select 4 faces like this, and remove them. In edit mode, hover the mouse cursor over duplicated faces like this, and type L to link select, P to separate by selection, Shift-D to duplicate, and Z to move it down a bit. I'll change the theme, so I can see better. We had 5 faces on the first row, so we'll only have 4 faces on the second row below. Let's select both meshes and Ctrl-J to join them. I'll add a dark blue material. Let's mirror the mesh. Looks like we need to manually mirror the mesh on the Y axis by duplicating and rotating the mesh like this. We won't need these 4 meshes. I'll add a point light and duplicate it twice. I'll select all meshes, duplicate them, and scale them like this. Let's add a knot. If you don't see that, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. S, and Z to scale in the Z-axis. Let's set up the render scene. I'll apply a metallic material to the knot. Let's adjust the light settings. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.